Hello, kids! Today we are going to hear a beautiful winter story about kindness, friendship, and a very special elephant. Let's begin. Winter had arrived in the forest. Snow covered the tall trees, the ground turned white, and the cold wind whispered softly. Everything felt quiet, calm, and magical. In this snowy forest lived a gentle elephant named Ellie. She was big, but her heart was even bigger. Ellie loved winter. She loved the snow, and she loved helping others. Snowflakes fell slowly from the sky, twirling, sparkling like tiny white feathers. Ellie watched them with a happy smile. Ellie walked through the deep snow, step by step, leaving big footprints behind her. Crunch, crunch went the snow. Suddenly, Ellie saw someone shaking. It was Benny, the bunny. He looked cold, hungry, and scared. Benny's soft voice, "I can't find food. Everything is covered in snow." Ellie gently used her long trunk and moved the snow away. Under the snow, green plants appeared. Ellie, "Don't worry, Benny. I'm here." Benny jumped with joy. "Benny, thank you, Ellie!" Winter felt warmer already. Ellie walked further and saw a little bird sitting quietly on a frozen branch. It was Lola. Her wings were cold and her tummy was empty. Ellie gently shook the tree. Plop, plop. Berries fell onto the snow. Lola flapped her wings happily. Lola, "Thank you, Ellie!" She flew around with joy. Soon, deer, squirrels, and shy foxes came out. They all followed Ellie. The animals gathered around Ellie. They felt safe. They felt happy. Ellie wasn't just big, she was brave and kind. Cold wind blew strongly. Ellie stood in front of her friends, blocking the wind with her strong body. Ellie cleared a snowy path through the forest. Now everyone could walk safely. All the animals shared food together. Winter felt warm because of kindness. The sun slowly went down. The snow turned orange and pink. What a beautiful evening! The animals sat close together under the trees. No one felt alone anymore. The moon shined bright. Stars twinkled in the sky. Ellie looked up at the stars and smiled. Helping others made her heart happy. That night, the forest slept peacefully, and Ellie became the winter hero who taught everyone kindness makes every season warm. If you liked this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next story.